how to change language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the language and region. Okay, tap this. Here in language and region, okay, you can see the language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. So okay, to change this, you'll have to just tap this. And now here in Facebook settings, okay, you can see here the preferred language. Okay, the preferred language is set into English, so you can tap this to change. So for my example, I change into Netherlands. Okay, select this and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.